Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss Unit 4 poem from your Marigold book. The name of poem is Once I Saw a Little Bird. This poem is about a boy who wanted to catch a bird. Now I will explain the poem. One day a boy saw a little bird. He wanted to catch that bird, which was sitting on the window. When he went to the window, he flew away. So students, now I will reciting this poem in front of you. After that, we will discuss about its summary. I hope you will listen and enjoy the poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. So students, in the same way, you can recite this poem. Now we will discuss its summary. ये पोएम एक लड़के की है जो एक पक्षी को पकड़ना चाहता था. Once I saw a little bird. एक बार मैंने एक पक्षी देखा. Come hop hop hop. Hop means फुदकना. वो फुदकता हुआ आया. I cried. Cried means चिल्लाना. Little bird. मैं चिल्लाया छोटे पक्षी. Will you stop, stop, stop? क्या तुम रुकोगे? I was going to the window. Window means खिड़की. जब मैं उस खिड़की के पास जा रहा था to say उसे कहने how do you do? तुम कैसे हो? But he shook means हिलाना. His little tail means पूंछ. पर उसने अपनी छोटी पूंछ हिलाई. And away he flew. Flew means उड़ना. और वो उड़ गया. Everybody recite this poem at home. Thanks. Have a nice day.